Italian culture, facts, custom, and tradition. Italian culture is the amalgamation of thousands of years of heritage and tradition, tracing its roots back to the ancient Roman Empire and beyond. Italian culture is steeped in the arts, family, architecture, music, and food. Home of the Roman Empire and its legendary figures such as Julius Caesar and Nero. It was also a major center of the Renaissance and the birthplace of fascism under Benito Mussolini. Culture on the Italian peninsula has flourished for centuries. Here is a brief overview of Italian custom and tradition as we know them today. Population of Italy. According to Italian National Institute of Statistics, Italy is home to approximately 59.6 million individuals as of 1 January 2020. About 96% of the population of Italy are ethnic Italians, according to Jen Green, author of Focus on Italy, Garrett Stephen Publishing, 2007. There are many other ethnicities that live in this country. North African, Arab, Albanian, German, Austrian, and some other European groups fill out that remainder of the population. Bordering countries of France, Switzerland, Austria, and Slovenia to the north have influenced Italian culture, as have the Mediterranean islands of Sardinia and Sicily and Sardinia. Language of Italy. The official language of the country is Italian. About 93% of the Italian population speaks Italian as native language, according to the BBC. There are a number of dialects of the language spoken in the country, including Sardinian, Friulian, Neapolitan, Sicilian, Ligurian, Piedmontese, Venetian, and Calabrian. Milanese is also spoken in Milan, and other languages spoken by native Italian include Albanian, Bavarian, Catalan, Cimbrian, Croatian, French, German, Greek, Slovenia, and Walser. Family life in Italy. Family is an extremely important value within the Italian culture. Talia Wagner, a Los Angeles-based marriage and family therapist, told Life Science their family solidarity is focused on extended family rather than the West idea of the nuclear family, of just a mom, dad, and kids, Wagner explained. Italians have frequent family gatherings and enjoy spending time with those in their family. Children are raised to remain close to the family upon adulthood and incorporate their future family into the larger network, said Wagner. The family structure has changed somewhat over the last 60 years. Giancarlo Blangiardo, professor of statistics and quantitative methods at the University of Milano Bicocca, and Stefano Remoldi, researchers in demography at the University of Milano Bicocca, explain in Portrait of the Italian Family, Past, Present, and Future, for the Journal of Comparative Family Studies, Volume 45, University of Toronto Press, 2014, that the mean age of a marriage is now 31 for women and 34 for men, 7 years older than it was in 1675. This has been linked to an increase in cohabitation before marriage and overall decline in the number of marriages. Religion in Italy. The major religion in Italy is Roman Catholicism. This is not surprising, as a Vatican City located in the heart of Rome is the hub of Roman Catholicism and where the Pope resides. Roman Catholics and other Christians make up 80% of the population, but only 1/3 of those are practicing Catholic. The country also has a growing Muslim immigrant community. According to University of Michigan, Muslim agnostic and atheists make up the other 20% of the population, according to the Central Intelligence Agency. The number of Italians who attend religious service at least once a week has declined substantially from 2006 to 2020, according to Statista. A little over 18 million Italians aged 6 and older attended weekly service in 2006, down to 12 million by 2020. Art and architecture in Italy. Italy has given rise to a number of architectural styles, including Classical Roman, Renaissance, Baroque, and Neoclassical. Italy is home to some of the most famous structures in the world, including the Colosseum and the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The concept of a basilica, which was originally used to describe an open public court building and evolved to mean a Catholic pilgrimage site, was born in Italy. The word, according to the Oxford Dictionary, is derived from Latin and means royal place. The word is also from the Greek basilic, which is the feminine of basilikos, which means royal, or basileus, which means king. Italy is also home to many castles, such as the Valle d'Aosta Fort Bard, the Ferrara Castle, and the Usos Castle. Florence, Venice, and Rome are home to many museums, but art can be viewed in the church and public buildings. Most notable is the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel of the Vatican, painted by Michelangelo sometime between 1508 and 1512. Italian food. Italian cuisine has influenced food culture around the world and is viewed as form of art by many. Wine, cheese, and pasta are important part of Italian meals. Pasta comes in a wide range of shapes, widths, and lengths, including common forms such as pan, spaghetti, linguine, fusilli, and lasagna. The etymologies of the Italian word for taste, sapor, and knowledge, saper, suggest why we should, as a scholar of Italy and Italian culture, attend to food. Word Peter Naccarato, Zachary Nowak, and Elgin Kay occurred in their book representing Italian to food, Bloomsbury Academic, 2018. No one area of Italy eats the same things as the next. Each region has its own spin on Italian food, according to CNN. For example, most of the food the Americans view as Italian, such as spaghetti and pizza, come from central Italy. In the north of Italy, fish, potatoes, rice, sauce, pork, and different types of cheese are the most common ingredients. Pasta dishes with tomatoes are popular, as are many kinds of stuffed pasta, polenta, and risotto. In the south, Tomatoes dominate dishes and they are either served fresh or cooked into sauce. Southern cuisine also includes capers, peppers, olives and olive oil, garlic, artichokes, eggplant, and ricotta cheese. Italian fashion. Italy is home to a number of world-renowned fashion houses, including Armani, Gucci, Benetton, Versace, and Prada, and is a nation that takes dress very seriously. As well known as are the designers of Italian automobiles and household furnishing. They have not surpassed such designers of clothing and accessories as Gucci, Fendi, Grazia, Ferragamo, Pucci, Valentino, Prada, Armani, Versace, Fair, and Dolce & Gabbana, wrote Charles L. Killinger, author of Culture and Custom of Italy, Greenwood, 2006. Doing business in Italia. Italy's official currency is the euro. Italians are known for their family-centric culture, and there are a number of small and mid-sized businesses. Even many of the larger companies, such as Fiat and Benetton, are still primarily controlled by single families. Many families that immigrated from Italy are traditional by nature, with the parents holding traditional gender roles. This has become challenging for the younger generation, as gender roles have morphed in the American culture and today stand at odds with the father being the primary breadwinner and the unspoiled head of the household, and the mother being the primary caretaker of the home and children, said Wagner. Meetings are typically less formal than in countries such as Germany and Russia, and the familiar structures can give way to a bit of chaos and animated exchange. Italian business people tend to view information from outsiders with a bit of awareness and prefer verbal exchange with people that they know well.